Excuse me. Well, interestingly, due to this behavior, they're kind of oblivious to us, and that's why we are managing to show you this close-up footage, because we're not too far from them. And the individual at the back kind of keeps pecking gently on the one in front's back leg. And wouldn't it be something else if we saw them mating? I think we might. It's a long shot, but I think we may see the go-away birds making love. Let's give it a moment or two, because this is certainly some interesting go-away bird behavior we are witnessing. Oh, they're coming closer to us, which is good. And oh no. I was hoping I'd be able to freewheel a little bit. Okay, no, they should be potentially coming into us. There we go. Let's watch and see what happens here. So still picking at that back leg. What on earth it's hoping to achieve by doing that, I'm not too sure. But you can't help but think he's trying to convince her. I don't want to start the vehicle, folks. They're so close to us, so please just bear with us for a moment or two. It could simply just be a youngster begging its mother for food, I guess, but it's not the typical behavior that they use when begging for food. So, who knows? And it is that season of the year when they should be making love, so... Oh, what's going on here? So folks, like I say, we are so close to them that I can't risk moving. But thankfully... Oh no, what is going on here? Okay, now we can move. I don't know what to say, folks. I'd like to get Mark's opinion as to what he thinks might be going on here. But I'll definitely let him know about this behavior a little bit later. Because it's a very gentle interaction that's going on, nothing too forceful. But the one certainly is showing a lot more interest in the other. Well, folks, I really found that quite interesting, that behavior. Seductive side of the go-away bird.